Hi, I'm Sarah. It's time for another cooking video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken enchilada casserole. So I use a pack of 30 yellow corn tortillas and then green onions. I use sour cream. You need 16 ounces. And then cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese you like. I'm going to be using 2 cans of the Kirkland chicken breast, 12.5 ounce containers, and then a large can of green enchilada sauce, 28 ounces. Then I haven't used, usually in this recipe, hominy, but I'm going to try it today. And then I like to use this frozen blend with corn, beans, chilies, peppers, and onions. But if you don't want to get this, you can use a can of corn or frozen corn and any kind of beans you prefer. I'm going to show you how I put it all together. I take the tortillas and I cut them 4 times, or I make pieces. So I cut them in half, then half again. Then I turn them and then I do the half and half again. So you get these kind of pieces here. And you put them in a large bowl. So I'm going to cut up the rest of the tortillas and then show you what I do next. So the next thing I did, I sliced my green onions. I had about 6 in there. And then I also added the frozen vegetables. So next was the chicken, the sour cream, and some cheese. And the spices I used were granulated garlic, dried chopped onion, cumin, pepper, and a little bit of chili powder. So before I mix it together, I added some green enchilada sauce to make it more pliable. So this is the mixture I mixed together. So I did half in the pan. I'm going to top it with some cheese and enchilada sauce. Then do the other layer and top it with cheese and some more sauce. So here's the second layer. So I'm just going to top it with cheese and the rest of the enchilada sauce. So I'm going to put it in my oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. And you can cover this if you want, but I'm going to leave it uncovered just so the top gets nice and golden brown. Trying to get every last drop out of there. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like it and try it, let me know. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And some other variations, you could do it with cooked ground beef and use red enchilada sauce instead of green. And with the green enchilada sauce, you can use ground chicken, ground turkey, shredded chicken, you know, whatever you feel like you like with your enchiladas. So, thanks.